Hello friends, as we learned in our previous videos what are X-ray and how these X-ray machine work in medical field. In today's video we'll see another application of X-ray which is called a baggage scanner or X-ray scanner, which are used in the airport and high security area for finding unwanted materials in the luggage and baggage. So here my name is Rushil Kumar and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Rushil Kumar. In today's video we'll see how these bag scanner work at airport and what are its other applications. So guys, please watch this video till the end. An X-ray baggage scanner is a device used to scan and inspect the object inside luggage, backpacks and all other bags for security purposes. X-ray baggage scanner has been established worldwide to enhance air traffic securities. X-ray scanner work by using X-ray light to create internal image of suitcase bag, which can be examined by a security guard to identify any potential threat or prohibited items. Medical x-ray machine and x-ray baggage scanner at airport both work on same principle of using electromagnetic waves, which is an x-ray to visualize internal structure of any body or anything. The only difference between them is medical X-ray is in black and white and it is unclear to understand, and it also have only 2D image. On the other hand, bag scanner can form images in very colorful way in 3D format, and it is very easy to understand them. If you guys want more information about X-ray and how this medical X-ray machine work, please watch my previous video on what is X-ray and how this machine work. Link of this video will be given in description box below. Unlike medical X-ray, bag scanner run all day and night for maintaining high security area, and bag scanner uses very low dose of X-ray radiation as compared to medical X-ray. Baggage scanner also mostly uses a conveyor belt system for fast and continuously scanning the object. When any bag, suitcase, or any parcel enters the scanner, X-rays are emitted on it from all the side. And if any hard or denser object hidden inside the bag, it will absorb the X radiation and form an image on a computer monitor. If any kind of harmful or unwanted things is detected on the screen, then only the security guard will open the bag and check it what's inside the bag. The bag scanner formed 3D images like this on an airport monitor, and if something is unclear or any doubt on any visitor, his and her bag must be viewed from so many different angles and so many different dimensions in order to see what's exactly inside their bag. X-ray baggage scanner also uses dual energy imaging technique, which is based on the atomic properties, which help to differentiate object like organic, inorganic and metallic by assigning different colors on screen. Here orange color represent organic materials like paper, wood and cloth, which is very safe things, and blue color represent harmful things, which is metallic like guns, explosive and knife and other tools, and green color represent glasses, ceramic and plastic. With the help of this color combination, we can also detect other illegal items like explosives, drugs, cash and coins, and other liquid material. The working and function of bag scanner is very easy, and this machine is also very easy to operate. Before bag checking, the airport staff and other security ask you to remove the electronic devices like mobile, tablet and laptop from the bag. Most of you guys think that X-ray radiation will damage and harm your mobile devices. X-ray radiation and X-ray machine both are completely safe for mobile devices and mobile data. Electronic devices like mobile, tablet and laptops have so many metallic components like batteries, circuit, motherboard, which can block X-ray, and we cannot see other items hidden underneath them. X-ray bag scanner or simply X-ray scanner also has so many different application across various non-aviational field like food inspection. Food industry uses these X-ray scanner for seeing the pollutant like glasses, metallic things in their packed food. Many industries like electronics and IT also uses X-ray scanner to verify their quality of circuit board and finding defect and void in their product. So friends, I hope you guys like this information about bag scanner. If you guys like my video, please like it, share it more and more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative and this type of technical videos. Thanks for supporting me.